going to make a bullet trap that I believe will be able to fire into as much as 45 caliber. I'll show you how to do this. It's really simple. It takes about 10 minutes to do, and it's less than $100 worth of supplies. We've got 8 bags of rubber tire mulch, a garbage can to put it in, and some sealant to seal the top. We'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test this bullet trap that we built a little while ago. We ended up using 6 bags of rubber tire mulch, a trash can to hold it all, and some glue to hold the top on. It's been about 2 hours. I'm going to use a Colt 2245 to test this. See what happens here. All right, let's go see whether we actually got something to come through there. That's a ready firearm right there. So we see we've got penetration and nothing out the back. That's a successful shoot. The next thing we're going to do is we are now going to try a couple of higher caliber weapons. So we're going to go and retrieve those weapons, and we'll be right back. Okay, our first test fire was with a 22. Had very little impact at all on our trap. So we're moving now to a Glock 42, which is a .380 caliber. Going to fire 1 round. We're going to check that, and then we're going to move to a 9mm. Okay, let's go check that and see what happened. As you can see, that was a dead shot right into the middle.
Shadows in the way.
We'll turn this. And see that nothing has come out of the back. So we call that our second successful test fire. We're now going to move to a Taurus 9mm. From there we'll go to a Springfield 45, I think will be our last test.
I'm going to get 45.
Once again, we're dead shot right in the middle of the trap. No holes in the bottom. I call that a successful test fire. We're going to move next to a Springfield 9mm, and I think we'll call that our final test. All right, our last test fire is going to be with a 9mm, is with a 45. We've already done the 9, and it was incredibly successful. So here we go. It made quite a larger hole than did the 22, the .380, and the 9mm. Let's see what our penetration looks like. We have no holes at all, as you can see on the back of that trap. For less than $100, we have constructed a indoor bullet trap capable of stopping up to, from what we can tell so far, a 45 caliber. I think that's pretty successful. I think anybody that's got the opportunity to fire inside would be very, very happy with this kind of trap setup.